With the Mopit and the Scrub and Vac cleaning accessory, you can completely ditch your mop and bucket. As great as the Mopit is for large areas, and even for some tight ones, it has its limitations. The Scrub and Vac is perfect for cleaning the areas that the Mopit can't get to, like under tables and behind toilets. The Scrub and Vac comes with a pump sprayer, 10 feet of hose, an aluminum cleaning wand, and the Scrub and Vac cleaning tool. To assemble the Scrub and Vac, snap the two pieces of the wand together by pressing in the spring-loaded pin as you slide the two halves together. Slide the wand onto the cleaning tool and hand tighten the coupler as much as possible. And I mean really tight. It will still feel loose, allowing the tool to rotate, but it shouldn't pull out of the wand. Pull the vacuum hose out of the back of the Mopit and screw in the Scrub and Vac hose. Push the hose cup onto the other end of the wand and tighten the clamp with a flathead screwdriver. Unscrew the top of the pump sprayer. Add soap. Fill it with water and replace the top. Pressurize the tank and spray the floor you will be cleaning. Use the brush side of the cleaning tool to scrub the floor. Then turn on the Mopit's vacuum and use the squeegee side of the tool to suck up the dirt and water, leaving the floor dry. When you're finished, lift up the hose to make sure everything is drained into the Mopit before turning off the vacuum. Once you have the Mopit and the Scrub and Vac cleaning accessory, you'll have everything you need to clean your large areas, as well as those hard-to-reach spots. Your only remaining task will be to send your mop and bucket to the dumpster. To learn more about the Mopit and the Scrub and Vac cleaning accessory, give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or visit our website at www.mopit.com.